Today, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Android. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Setting Chrome as your default browser means links you tap on your phone will open in Chrome automatically instead of another browser. Google's official Chrome help says you can change this anytime from your Android settings. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap Apps. After that, look for Default Apps or choose Default Apps. Google's Android help notes that the exact wording can vary a little depending on your phone, but the browser setting is found in that Default Apps area. Now tap Browser app. You should see a list of browsers installed on your phone. From there, select Chrome. Google says once Chrome is chosen as the browser app, links will open in Chrome by default. If you don't see Chrome in the list, there's a good chance Chrome isn't installed yet. Google's install guide says you can open the Play Store, search for Chrome, and install it for free on Android 10 and newer devices. Once it's installed, go back to the default browser setting and select it. There's also one more thing to remember. Your default browser is not the same as your default search engine. Even after Chrome becomes your default browser, you can still choose which search engine Chrome uses inside the app settings. Google keeps those as separate settings. So, in simple terms, open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, tap Browser app, and choose Chrome. That's the normal Android method for making Google Chrome your default browser, and that's how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Android. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.